Okay, so today's video is how to remove an in-cabin air filter on a 2015 Honda Civic. This would also apply for 2014s, 2013, 12, and potentially other years. So the reason you'd want to do this is after pollen season, your air filter is going to get really clogged. It's not going to be able to capture as much as you'd want. So if you have allergies like me, you're going to start to suffer from. So a clean air filter is going to be better. Also, it takes less strain off the blower because now it's not as restricted and air can flow more freely through the filter and through the system. You'll get better air conditioning and better heating with a cleaner air filter. So how to do it on this model? First thing you should do, empty out your glove box, because with this one it tips down, and when it does, if you have anything in there, it's going to fall out. So once you do that, there's two tabs on each side. Just press on them. This piece comes off. You're going to take out your old filter, and as you can see, it's covered in a bunch of dirt. You can see where some of it's still a little clean, but this is pretty nasty. Okay. So what we're replacing is the STP air filter. That's the filter size for this particular one, for the max filtration one. So what you also want to be mindful for is making sure what direction the airflow is. So typically you'll always be towards the blower, but your unit should also say, and ours says it right here, it says airflow, and there's an arrow pointing down. So that's going to be the direction that we want the filter to go in. So get your filter out, and on your filter it should be marked which direction it is. Ours is. So we're going to take it and we're going to insert it in there. It can only go in one way, so if it doesn't work, if you attempt to put it in, just to show you guys, if you attempt to put it in like this, you're going to have gaps all along the side. It's just not going to want to, it's going to stick out too much. It's not going to want to close. So just make sure you put it in the right way. It'll only go in one way. Make sure that air flow is pointing down. Clip that back in. And leveling this up, just push in slightly on the tabs, boom. And that's it. That's how you change an air in-cabin filter on your car. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, click subscribe. See everyone in the next video.